Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of the construction on the Melrose Hill bypass. So we actually are on the Melrose Hill bypass now, and we are heading from Porus to Williamsfield. So we're going to take a look at what's going on. So Highway 2000 is being extended from Maypen to Mandeville, and this bypass is now going to become a part of that highway. So on the left, that's a bridge that will take you from the Melrose Hill bypass onto the actual highway. Now we say the actual highway because the Melrose Hill bypass is going to be incorporated into Highway 2000. But if you are traveling from Porus to Williamsfield, you don't have to pay toll. Now, if you're traveling from, say, Williamsfield to Kingston, you will get on the Melrose Hill bypass, and then you'll use that bridge that you just saw to get on the highway. And then once you get on that section, I should say, of the highway, that's where you pay toll. So to go from Porus to Williamsfield, you don't have to pay toll on that section of Highway 2000 because it incorporates the Melrose Hill bypass. And if you're going in the opposite direction, the same thing, you don't have to pay toll. So you can get a very good idea of what's going on now because this side of the road has been finished. It's going to be 4 lanes, dual carriageway, just like the rest of the highway. See, they're working on the Jersey barrier. I keep saying concrete barricade, but the correct name is Jersey barrier. So it's good that you don't have to pay toll for this section of the road, because in the past, this highway, especially the Highway 2000, has incorporated other roads and they have become a part of the highway and you have to pay toll to use it. The Old Harbour bypass that was under construction became a part of Highway 2000, and it's now part of the toll road. And the Causeway Bridge in Portmore, that whole Causeway Road, the bridge, everything became a part of Highway 2000, and you had to pay toll to use it. So it's good that the Melrose Hill bypass, you don't have to pay to use it. And the bypass is getting a major upgrade. Look at this. You can clearly see the 4 lanes, even though it's still under construction. Some sections are finished. Wow, this is really nice. This is what you call progress in Jamaica. So Highway 2000, just to give you a quick summary, it's the Billa Highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. That's the east-west leg. And then to build a highway from Kingston to Ocherios, that's the north-south leg. And then you have the Portmore leg. So the Portmore leg is finished. The north-south leg is finished. So it's just the east-west leg that's left. And that's the part to build the road from Kingston to Montego Bay. So because of the cost, they're building the road in pieces or sections. So the section from Kingston to Maypen is finished and it's up and running. And then the section we're driving on now is a section from Maypen to Mandeville. That section is under construction, and it was to finish March 2023, which would be next month. But the date has been changed. It was changed this week to August 2023. And the highway is over 90% complete. This section, I should say, the Maypen to Mandeville section. And the highway is going to go to Montego Bay. So they have started work on the Montego Bay section, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, and they have started work on it. And then the highway is going to go from, when it comes, it's going to come through Montpelier and then Anchovy and then into Montego Bay. So they're building the Long Hill bypass to connect you from the Bogue Road in Montego Bay to Wow, look at how nice this road is. Wow, really nice. Have to admire the progress. And this road, you don't have to pay to use it. It's very nice. Okay, so they're building a long hill bypass to take you from Anchovy down to the Perimeter Road, and then they're building another road up to Mount Pelio, and then that's part of Highway 2000. And then from Mount Pelio, the road will connect back somewhere in St. Elizabeth, and then you're going to have a bypass for the Spurtree Hill roundabout. Spurtree Hill, sorry. So basically, from Kingston to Williamsfield is now going to be 45 minutes or 40 minutes. I really have to admire this road. And you have other roads in Jamaica that are highways, but they're not toll roads. But this road seems so much wider than those roads. This road could easily be 6 lanes, but it's going to be 4. Okay, I don't even remember what we were saying now. Right, so from Kingston to Williamsfield, 40 minutes. And then from Williamsfield to St. Elizabeth, they're going to build a bypass for Spurtree Hill, which will be a part of Highway 2000. And then from there, it goes over to Mount Pelio in St. Elizabeth, or I'm not even sure where Mount Pelio is, if it's St. James. But it will go to Mount Pelio and then come down through Anchovy and then connect to Montego Bay via the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. So that's the alignment for Highway 2000, and you could practically say the Kingston to Mandeville leg is finished, and then you have the Montego Bay leg from Mount Pelio down through Anchovy to the Bogue Road that they're working on. Construction has started, so the only section left would be the section from Williamsfield in Manchester to the Spurtree Hill bypass, and then from the Spurtree Hill bypass, that construction hasn't started yet either, from the Spurtree Hill bypass to Mount Pelio. So they're moving along nicely. Hopefully, well, they haven't announced the dates for the other sections yet, but it will be built because every administration has committed to extending this road. So can you imagine if they had done it in one go, like they did the north-south leg? It would be very expensive, but Jamaica would have had this highway probably 10 years ago. But nonetheless, it's being worked on. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.